Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some buttermilk waffle. Alright, in this bowl is 2.5 cups of flour, 2 cups of buttermilk. I have 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, half tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, I have vanilla essence, 2 eggs, and I have half stick of melted butter. I will mix the dry ingredients, which is the all-purpose flour, sugar, the salt, and the baking powder. I forgot to mention the cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So I'm going to combine the dry ingredients together. Then I'm going to beat up the eggs with the essence and add the butter together along with the milk. I'm sorry about that. Before I get a spill, some of the essence throw away, so it make a spill. As you can see that I tried to mix this, but I have the camera in one hand. So this is a waffle maker. I will be spraying some spam on that before I start. This is the second set of the waffle. Now if you want your waffle a bit browner and crunchy, you could leave it a bit longer. And this is the self-raising flour. I have 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of cayenne pepper, half pepper flakes, and half tablespoon of sugar. We'll be mixing all together. And this is a dry mix to fry the chicken. Alright, I'm going to combine it together. And this is the chicken that was soaked in buttermilk. I will be listing all the ingredients. Start the fries. So I have to finish frying this chicken on both sides. So this is the second set, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. Buttermilk deep fried chicken with buttermilk waffle. I'm just adding some of the syrup. I like the syrup on my chicken, a lot of it, so that's what I'm doing. You don't have to, your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please share, like. Thank you again. See you in the next one. Buttermilk deep fried chicken and buttermilk cinnamon waffle. Alright? I will be listing all the ingredients in the description bar down below. Thank you. See you in the next one.